Here's our order. What is that? What is that? Okay, this is the what? What is this?
Chicken po.
What is this, Nak? Nak, what is this order?
Chicken 180 po. Chicken 180.
That's 180 ko small.
Arroz po, 80 grams.
Ah, that's not mine. 180 ako eh.
120 po.
Huh? Ano ba yan?
120.
Ay, sa'yo, 120.
Ayun po, 180 po.
Ah, 180. Happy lang kayo.
Tapos yung isa 120.
Chicken.
Chicken naman isa. Dalawang 120.
Ay, paano ba mag-add yun? One rice lang naman siya. One rice lang naman siya.
Harvest complete po, no?
Yeah, I remember.
Tawag lang po kayo pag may mga kapat. Sige po.
Hello, good evening mga kabis. Happy Monday. Today si Daddy Joe. Dinner tayo with Jewel and family. Ito tayo. Yeah. Yabu. Yabu. Only the pearl. Oh, what's the menu? What's the menu? Natin menu. Dito kayo. Dito kayo mga kabis. Itong family. There's Mommy, Jessie, and Jewel. Hi Jewel. How are you? Pagod. Galing duty. Galing duty. Yan. Aming kambal. Kambal ni Jelina. Finally. Nasama namin. Okay, ito yung menu ng Yabu. Ito natin yung order natin. The beginnings of katsu. The word katsu is abbreviation of the word katsuretsu, which means cutlet. In general, refers to a sliced piece of meat that is breaded and deep fried. Oh, so that's the meaning of katsu. Dish was introduced to Japanese culture in the late 19th century during the Meiji period, when Japan opened its doors to the West. In the beginning, beef cutlets were used, but pork eventually became the more popular choice of meat by the 1900s, giving rise to dishes such as tonkatsu. Ton is Japanese for pork. Ah, so that's the meaning of tonkatsu. Okay. So the menu, pork mixed dip, hummus nipples, katsu apples. Mas nauna to, nak no, Yabu na, before itong, parang the same, no? Almost the same menu nila, no? Almost the same. Okay, appetizers and salads. Mozzarella, katsu sticks, chicken salad, and then we have
Isang 180 na lang daw sa kanila.
One appetizer, dalawang chicken po, then dalawang pork.
yung menu nila.
Yung order mo kanina,
Matzo, and then we have yung chukatsu sticks.
ulitin ko po. Bali, isang mozzarella, isang chicken 120, isang chicken 180, isang
And then ito burger natin is katsu sets. Yan ang price, depending on grams.
May drinks na to?
Water.
Daddy. Hindi yan mag-water.
Soft drinks. Okay. Ayan. So all this is Tonkatsu. Pork. Ton is pork. Katsu means fried pork. Okay, ito yung dessert nila. Okay, that's it for Yabu.
Kasi gusto po nila ibento siya for
Mitsurawa. Katsu Mitsurawa. Okay, here's our order. What is that? What is that?
Ako, i-review niya kailangan sa
Ayan. Okay, this is the what? What is this?
chicken po.
This is this knock. Knock, what is this order?
Chicken 180 po. Chicken
Oh.
180.
At 180 ko small.
ano ilang
Arroz po, 80 grams.
Ah, that's not mine.
80 lang ba yun? Or
180 ako eh.
120 po.
Huh?
di ba yan yung kinancel?
Ano ba yan?
120 siya.
120 po. Okay po.
Eh sa'yo, 120.
Hindi, 120.
Ayan po, 180 po.
Ah,
Chicken.
180. Hati lang kayo.
Tapos yung isa 120 din.
Yes.
Ito.
Puro
Chicken.
120 na po.
Hindi, chicken naman isa. Dalawang 120.
Eh paano ka mag-add? Ay, hindi ka naman nag-rice pala. Sa
Makikishare
one
naman.
rice lang naman si ano. Sa one rice lang naman si ano.
Hindi, hindi ako
nag-cook
kakain
rice.
naman.
Here's our order. Yan.
Orders complete na po, ano?
Bakit brown? Gusto mo ba brown?
Oh, ano? Sige, akin ng brown.
Si daddy kay Brady yung brown.
Okay, this is my order. Gusto niyo po ng brown?
Thank you po. Tawag lang po kayo pag may mga papanapilan. Thank you po.
Wow.
Malayo sa mo sa nakakita.
Brown rice.
Hindi na ako.
Okay, kain na tayo. Use our food. Tinapot natin. Okay, let's eat. Let's eat. Let's try the soup first. Soup. Mmm. Where's the soup? Very good.
Hoy, ano yan?
And then this
Maganda
one.
mo na,
Ang tawag dito?
yes,
Sesame
eh.
seeds. Sesame seeds.
Ha? Ano yung mga?
So you crush the sesame seeds.
Okay.
And then
Kami siya na.
everybody's eating. And Gino.
Hindi yan
Yung dinner together.
Hindi siya pang-please. Para sa amin din yan. Bawal yung namatay doon. Kahit namatay doon. Baka naman nila. Hindi.
Wala.
Naging ano din.
Wala.
Malayo na ako.
Mga usapang tong nurse.
Kain lang. Kain lang mga nurses. Nurses. All of them are nurses.
Meron kulang pa nga. Wala si Vlad eh.
Yung mga nurses. Yung kinakain nila.
Lahat tayo.
Pero mga nurses mahihina kumain. Pero mahilig magtrabaho, mahihina kumain.
Si daddy lang na
Ako, mahihina kumain. Si Gino, malakas ka kumain, Gino? Ha? Lakas? Lakas din. May appetite. Hindi na, wala eh. Walang appetite yung si Gino. Okay, the reveal for Yabu. Total is for 5 persons. It's 1,857 and 23 cents. Okay, not bad. Price is good. The food, probably out of 5 stars, I rated only 4 stars.
Kasi wala.
So, try nyo yan, pero not really
Wala na rate pa din sa Sanford.
Okay? So, bye. Subscribe, share, like, Pandemic Habits TV, and enjoy life, start happy, be happy. Okay? Good night. Bye-bye. Safe. Subscribe, share, and like to your friends.